Okay, here's how we rank fintech startup SEO from 150 clicks to 1200 clicks per month. Okay, so they were here. Okay, they were here back then, and then we used one single thing to make the brand website, automate posting, and then feature rich articles, and then automated the syndication process, which is a posting to social media, whether it's a Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. We completely automated, and then we took it from here to here. To do this, we used only one single tool, and the single tool is AI. Okay, now we are in 2025. If you don't leverage AI, I mean, you're still gonna see the success, but the time it takes to see that, to reach here is gonna take a time. But if you leverage AI, you can start in the middle of the road itself to all the way to whatever you want to reach the goal. Okay. Now this tool is called AI SEO Writer. Now I have a full article written here. You can check that out. Okay, so how we rank fintech startup SEO 150 clicks to 1200 clicks. I'm gonna leave this link in a description. Now if I go to the dashboard, right, I'm gonna show you a couple of features. So if I go into the dashboard, you're gonna get a 4 features right here. One, you can simply input a keyword and create an entire SEO optimized articles. And then you have AI news articles. You input a query, it's gonna pull up the recent search stories. Okay, and then we have Amazon single product review. You can simply input the URL, it's gonna write the whole blog article for you. And then YouTube, same thing, YouTube blog post. Now let me go here and show you one of the SEO article. Okay, so how we did this is, if I go to the blog automation, and here I can go to the integrations on the left side, everything we have. If I click on create integration, you can see from Blogger to Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, even including webhooks and APIs. You can integrate it to your site and rank it. I mean, automate it. Okay, it's like writing well written. Like, we have trained hundreds, thousands of articles to create this AI, which is gonna write a well optimized SEO blog articles to improve your Google rankings. Okay, and then you simply click on create new campaign, and whenever you're creating new campaign, you add the word, just that's it. And you will get an option 2. So you will get an option 2 to generate articles manually by yourself, or you can simply automate the entire publishing to the WordPress. and then if I go into the social media, and I can click on social media, and the type is gonna be you can post to Twitter, Facebook. Okay, so you can connect this entirely. And then if I go to the auto social, and I can get access to automate Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Pinterest, and even Threads. We'll be adding more tools right here. But yeah, so if I go into the social media, and I can also automate this process, whatever the article gets published in a campaigns, I'm gonna automate this. Now why don't we show you some articles for you? Okay, so let me go into the articles which I have recently written. And if I show you one, so we are currently inside AI SEO editor provided by AI. Now it comes with an inbuilt AI SEO editor, and if I simply hover this, you can see I have option to rewrite, make longer, make shorter, make list, make table, and I can even add the keywords, and I can add the external links. So let's say if I need to add keywords, okay, so let's say best knives yummy. So I just added a keyword, and you can see it came up with a new thing. Now I can reject it or accept it. So I can simply come here and accept this. And even if I don't like any of the paragraph, I need many external links. So if I go to the links and click on add external links, and you can see it's gonna suggest some external links if there is a chance to add an external links. But if there is not, then it's gonna skip. So you can see I simply have to check this box, and that's it. We have the external link. How cool is that? I even have the AI assistant feature right here. So if I ask it to add one FAQ, and it's gonna do the job for me. If I scroll down, you can see it is automatically added from AI assistant to the editor. Okay, so this AI completely has editor access. So which is gonna add the FAQ. Alright, you can see the one FAQ has been added. Now I can accept it or reject it. Okay, I'm just gonna accept it. And so there'll be a link in the description. You can literally use it for free, try it out, and I'll leave the link. And you can also use RJ10 to get additional 10% discount if you're purchasing in case. And make sure you check that out. With that being said, I made a video about full guide on writing SEO blog articles, 1 hour tutorial. You can watch this video right here.